poor little knees. I need like a stool or something. There you are.
Why'd I even put my phone down there?
Ah, jeez. Uh, uh. Yeah, that'll work.
Welcome to Folk Monster Workshop. I'm Folk Monster. And we're both gonna have to pretend that I didn't build this chair like 2 years ago. Technically yesterday I put on these new feet, so that counts as a contemporary build as far as I'm concerned. This is my favorite kind of project, solving a problem without actually having to spend any money on it. Usually that means either finding materials that I already have in the shop, which I might hoard a little bit, or manufacturing them, 3D printing, cutting down some wood stock, what have you. I'm in no way professionally trained. I'm a software developer by trade. Really, I'm just somebody that enjoys making things and documenting the process of figuring it out. You'll see experiments, design changes, and plenty of mistakes, but all in an effort to learn and improve. I do my best to plan out and research my designs and how to work safely, but this channel is more about learning through building and less professional instruction. If you do see something that I could be doing better or improve upon, please let me know. So if any of that sounds good, stick around and you might see me accidentally engineer something on purpose.